Do you suffer from hair loss? Did you know that this is an issue that affects both men and women? It is a fact that today, hair is a symbol of health, beauty, and seduction. For many people, it can even be synonymous with physical strength and virility. And when hair starts to fall, some people's self-esteem might become fragile. Thinking about it, in today's video, we will show you a plant that can help you with this issue. Although it is usually known for its diuretic properties, this herb can be a great ally of hair health. Do you already know what plant we are talking about? It's horsetail. Some of the properties of horsetail include helping with healthy hair growth, thanks to its nutrients. Keeping your hair healthy also depends a lot on your diet, which needs balanced nutrition and good health habits. But how does horsetail help with hair growth? It contains a mineral called silica, which helps to create collagen and also works to strengthen the bones and nails, improving their elasticity and resistance, according to a study done by Nagpur University in India. Besides that, this mineral also makes your hair stronger and improves its shine and texture. Also, since it contains selenium, it regulates iodine, which is responsible for promoting hair growth, according to a study done by the Prince Sultan Military Medical City in Saudi Arabia. To get all these benefits, you can drink horsetail tea or make a hair rinse. See how. To make the tea, you will need 1 cup of water, 8.45 ounces, and 1 tablespoon of horsetail, 0.35 ounces. Heat the water, and once it starts boiling, add the horsetail. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from heat and let the infusion rest for 10 to 15 minutes. To prepare a rinse, which can be used sometimes during the week, you will need 3 tablespoons horsetail, 1.05 ounces, 1 cup water, 8.45 ounces. Directions: add 3 tablespoons of horsetail to a cup of water. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, apply on your dry hair and let it act for 20 minutes. To finish, wash your hair with plenty of water. The recommended is choosing only one mode of use, since consuming horsetail in large amounts can end up drying your hair, making it weak. Besides that, horsetail is not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. If you have any heart issues, it is better to talk to a trusted doctor before drinking horsetail tea. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.